brother Julian Savea for the first time in Moana Pasifika colours this afternoon on what is, without question, to get proceedings underway here at North Harbour as the sun pokes through the clouds overhead. And just looking to clear their lines early. The Drua has been charged, and so little volley looking to apply some pressure. Moana as Isaiah Armstrong Ravula sends a long kick down to the 10-metre mark, Moana territory, where William Aveli will try and run it back and link up with his centre, Lalomelo. Danny Tawala puts some beautiful footwork on. He's got Finanisi inside pass. Lalomelo, he's strong. Lalomelo passes off Tawala. Oh, how good Moana. There's the opening try. It's taken 24 minutes, but it's an absolute cracker. Moana in a fantastic position. Sam Slade to take.
Number 8
Sonny Revi got another penalty advantage to work with. It's in the back. Mills Sonny Revi trying to roll to the line.
Down by Moana there. I've got advantage, 8's in the side.
Tomatini plays it up. Felipe Saito full. Julian Savea. Perhaps he's looking for a pick. The captain played off. They're going to score another one, are they? Yes, they are. And it's Miracle Whailangi who has the second for Moana.
Look, it was a great phase of attack earlier. They got them close to the line. They came back with penalty advantage, kicked it to the sideline.
Sam Slade in on defence, trying to win the turnover. Going through on the clean, but he's given away a penalty. So playing with the advantage here, centre field, just outside of the 22. 66% for the season. So Armstrong Ravula trying to curl it through. So a few away off of the tee in this first half. Jackson Gunn and Basham as Armstrong Ravula. Samisi Tupotai Loa down on the 10. Tomatini. Sonny Revi. Tap and go again. Oh, and they're going to score another one, are they? Just short. Let they say they'll fall. Trying to barge through again, and they do score.
Play it away, please. Both down on my side.
Volley sends it back as Armstrong Ravula says that'll do for this first half.
You're right, boys.
A first half that once it got going belonged to Moana Pasifika. Or can Moana Pasifika march on to an important victory here in front of their home fans. Good crowd in, 8,500 pre-sold. It is noisy, it is loud, and it is fan in the house on double duty this weekend. As Sam Slade brings it down and looking to set up another one. Julian Savea charging toward the 5-metre line. Here they come once more. Samisi Tupotai Loa just pinching a couple more metres, so hard to bring down. Looking to punch your way through again, Miracle Whailangi. Felipe Saito falls very close, he'll have a little dab. Savea close to the line for Moana. Trying to drive through Whailangi. And Miracle's got a second.
Well, it's the second time this game. Moana Pasifika.
Plenty of experience in this Fijian Drua team, plenty of test experience for Fiji, 16 of them in that halfback jersey. And they'll try and wrap around and send the ball wide to Ponepati Longani Masi. Armstrong Ravula sending it into centre field. Will it bust through the Kaniviri? And he scores the try. Off the bench and into the game, big time to Viti Kaniviri. And Tambuavo lays it back again. Kaniviri, goodness me, what about the contact there on his opposite, Sonny Revi. A little round the back pass. Longani Masi from Kuravoli.
Yeah, you're okay, no advantage.
So looking for 3 as Armstrong Ravula's got them. 12 gone. Second half. And Fijian Drua close it to a 12-point deficit. And some more subs, Taylor.
Yeah, this one, another HIA, again for Moana Pasifika. Samuel Slade going up the tunnel onto the field is Alan Craig, and then a substitution in the front row. Monumoli coming on for Tito Tuipolotu, the two youngsters, 22-year-olds swapping with each other.
Monumoli, the debut last week, and the loss at Pukakoi to the Brumbies. He'll make his presence felt here so too early. Whanako Vata. He's ridden to ground by Tupotai Loa. Zaya Armstrong, Ravule Kaneveri, and a miracle Whailangi.
No, get back.
Quickly to try and get over the ball.
Please. Quickly. Good.
Ravule sends it floating toward the halfway line where William Avili waits. There's an awkward take with the plenty of Fijian Drua players coming towards him. He got a knee down. What does Angus Gardner say? He says Moana can play the ball as it was ripped away. Now they'll look to come away inside of their half net. And Nisi, little ball inside to Adi Savea. Puts a little kick over the top for himself, Adi Savea! Oh, what have we just seen? It's here, Adi at North Harbour.
Oh, he's talismanic. There's Adi Savea. There's Julian Savea in the background, smile on his face. He's done that a couple of times before.
Slow to release. So
still in no clear release by 6th, and he was on the 4 first.
Still in prime position here, but the try to Adi Savea has been rubbed out.
Yeah, and his brother has snuck onto the field, Julian Savea. So in that instance, we saw Fine Nisi when he passed it to Adi Savea, when he did that miraculous chip and chase. What had happened is he rolled his ankle, so he came off, and Julian is there, and what a special moment this is. Both brothers reuniting under the Moana Pasifika banner, the team that is for their people.
Well, the last time the Wellington-born brothers played together was for the Hurricanes against the Blues back in May of 2023. Until Rongotai, proud pair, has now look to do it the old-fashioned way. Roll the sleeves up here, Moana. He might try and get one that way too. Adi Savea taking place 6 metres out from the Drua goal line. Moana passing along. Oh, Julian Savea! Savea will score, and it will be Julian.
And the Savea name was mentioned many times in that movement. It started from a line out.
Trying to score one down the right here, flying away, Rakuro! He says, Julian Savea, whatever you can do, I'm not too bad at either. Daniela Rakuro for the Fijian Drua, and it's an important try. Here once more, Nasilasila. 2 to play. Looking to strike now. And keep their faint hopes alive in Super Rugby Pacific 2025. Dongi. Again, Ikaniveri trying his best to beat offer. Is gonna scoot away. And that will do it for Moana Pasifika here tonight at North Harbour.
Yeah, well and truly closed out. A much better second half from both sides. Both put on a show for the crowd here.
Only one thing left to do, Malani Matavao. He sends it into touch. Moana Pasifika and Adi Savea have their 4th win of the Super Rugby Pacific season. They have entertained the crowd here tonight at North Harbour Stadium, and they have an important win over the Fijian Drua by 34 points to 15, Kane.